ए मोटी,
अरे जस्ट लुक एट हर, इसकी तो मूंछ है।
धरती पे बोझ है।
इतनी मोटी लड़की अच्छी लगती है क्या?
Ew, so ugly. Ugly.
If you are the one जो कि इस तरीके से लोगों के ताने सुनते हैं, then you have to watch this video today. And if you are the one जो कि इस तरीके से लोगों को criticize करते हैं and body shaming करते हैं, then you should stop it right now because you don't know what people might go through. मोटे रहते हैं, but मोटापा हो सकता है because of several reasons. आज मैं उसी में से एक टॉपिक के बारे में बात करनी हूँ विच इज़ नोन एज PCOS और PCOD. The full form is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome or Polycystic Ovarian Disorder. But before I start this video, I want all of you to please subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, this is Tasneem Khan and you're watching All in One Tips and Tricks by Tasneem Khan. PCOS or PCOD is a condition wherein females develop those things जो कि females में नहीं होनी चाहिए, जैसे कि unwanted facial hair, hair thinning या फिर baldness, बहुत सारी चीज़ें. आज मैं आप लोगों को वही बताने वाली हूँ कि what is PCOD, उसके causes क्या है या factors क्या हैं जो कि PCOD को cause करते हैं, उसके symptoms क्या है and finally its treatment. I would want all of you to please watch the video till the end and share this video as much as you can to create awareness. Boys, I don't want you guys to please leave this video here. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप भी इस वीडियो को पूरे एंड तक देखें because awareness is very much essential. And जितना हो सके please spread the word. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started.
PCOD or PCOS is a condition wherein females develop multiple cysts on their ovaries. Can you even imagine how scary and painful it is? Now, this happens because of elevated androgens, that is, elevated male hormones in females. It is a very common thing in females these days. In fact, 9 out of 10 females are having PCOS in India itself. This is very serious condition but is considered very common because of the lifestyle which we have these days. Now let us check the factors that cause PCOS. First is your genes. So if anybody from your family had PCOS or has PCOS, you are prone to getting the same. Second is bad dietary choices or a bad lifestyle which you have. Third is hormonal problems. Now, hormonal problems is very common again in females, and if you have that, you are tend to get PCOS. The next is weak immune system. Let us also check the symptoms of PCOS or PCOD. First is irregular or prolonged periods or menstruation. Second, as the name suggests, there will be a lot of fluid-filled cysts or sacs developed all over the ovaries. Next is there will be growth of extra or unwanted hair, especially on your facial part. Next point is male patterned baldness or hair loss. You can also get excessive cramping and bloating during your menstruation period. You can get acne and other skin problems. There can be psychological stress and depression. You can get fatigue, pelvic pain is there, and rapid weight gain. Now let's check for the treatment options. Unfortunately, there has been no cure or no treatment for PCOS discovered till date. But then there are certain things which we can do to make the situation better or easier for us. Now, medicines can be given or can be prescribed by your doctor, but I would not recommend medicines because they only give you side effects instead of, actually curing the problem. I am going to help you out with the diet changes, exercises and lifestyle changes which can actually help you ease the situation and even cure PCOD to the maximum extent possible. Let's start with the diet changes. Let's check for the food to eat. High fiber foods like broccoli, cauliflower, sprouts, green and red leaf lettuce, green and red pepper, lentils, beans, almonds, berries, sweet potato, and pumpkin. Anti-inflammatory foods like tomatoes, kale, spinach, almonds and walnuts, olive oil, blueberries and strawberries, fatty fish high in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon and sardines. Lean protein sources like tofu and chicken can also be a good option and a filling option for PCOD patients. Let us now check the foods to avoid. Foods high in refined carbohydrates such as white bread, muffins, sugary snacks and drinks, inflammatory foods such as processed food and red meat. We've already checked the foods to eat and not to eat. Now let's go with the second option to treat PCOD, which is exercises. Exercises can vary from person to person. Some people may feel fatigued easily while some may not. Now there are a lot of exercises ranging from cardio to high intensity workout which will help you in losing weight faster. But I would recommend cardio workouts like brisk walking or jogging, swimming and cycling. Apart from diet and exercises, you should also practice for some healthy lifestyle changes in your day-to-day life routine. Such as the first thing is say no to medicines because they don't give you a cure since no cure has been discovered for PCOD till date. So if you actually get medicines, say no to it. Do a regular weight checkup. Quit alcohol and smoking. Do yoga for stress relief. And then continue with regular medical checkups.
Okay guys, so we've already seen PCOD क्या होता है and बाकी की सारी relevant information. अब मैं आप सबसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ stop body shaming and don't make fun of girls, boys or anybody. Black lives matter, white lives matter, fat lives matter, thin lives matter, all the lives matter. And हमने जैसा कि देखा कि PCOD में एक symptom होता है stress का. Make sure कि you are not the reason to actually give a PCOD patient more stress. So stop body shaming. And girls, this PCOD का जो pain होता है, it is 5 times more worse than आपका normal periods का pain. So girls who do not have PCOD, please try to understand the situation of girls having PCOD. Same goes with boys. Instead of making fun, let's just give these people space and that's it. So I would want all of you to please like and share this video to the maximum extent as possible. Now, hasta la vista. Take care of your brothers and sisters.